Hello, on this video you will learn how to create Visual Basic code for double-click set values. If you can remember last time we designed this structure, we assigned number 3 for train support data as pop-up form, which is supposed to be maintained from time to time. And we don't want to leave our main interface to just maintain the data and back to fill in again. So I'm gonna use this event of double click to call this pop-up form and fill in new training and double click to copy it back to the designated fields. Okay, let's move ahead to Access. Open up our HR training database. On this HR train F2, if we still working on this form interface and we need to add up training 5 on it but don't want to leave this form to maintain, we can have coding here on double click event to call pop-up form for quick access. Let's switch to design view and select this H2 training, right click, call property sheet up, move to event tab, choose on double click, click on this 3 dot, double click code builder and key in some code of do command open form space one time and under code mark put train F here, then close it, right click, switch back to form view, double click on this field and here it is, we got pop-up training F for quick access already. Now I'm gonna maintain new train 5 on it, hit down arrow key to update it. And I want to double click this train number 5 back to this H2 training. Just right click here, switch back to design view. For pop-up form we have to right click here, not here, because this is not the train F1. And select this field of T name. On event tab, choose on double click and this triple dot, double click for code builder. The rules for set value is that the designated field will always be on the left and the copying fields will be on the right. So the designated field is here. This H2 training which locates on H2 SF1 under HR train F2, also under this forms correction. However, if you feel it's too complicated to have the correct path for this field, you may go to some query no matter which one, right click on it, go to design view and on anywhere around here just right click here, choose this build with first, double click for HR10 ACCDB and then form, loaded form, HR train F2 and H2 SF1 and here you got it. Double click to let expression builder code for you instead, then you copy this one by press Ctrl C on keyboard, cancel, close and no for not to save it, then back to Visual Basic, press the code that we just got it from build wizard of a query, followed by equal sign and next will be the copying field which will be this TID not T name because this H2 training is drop down and drop down keep ID as we used to talk about it on our lecture about using of lookup wizard for drop-down fields. So in this case, the copying fields will be TID instead. I'm gonna use me.tid because we now have code on train SF itself, so I have no need to key in full path for it. The next step of this coding, after we copy our value to the designated fields already, we have to close this pop-up form properly. So I will use this do command close one space AC form comma followed by the train F, the name of this form to close it. And that's all for coding. Just close this Visual Basics and close this transform pop-up, confirm yes. Now let's test it. Double click on here, put train 6, hit down arrow to update it and double click back, and there it is. See you then, bye.